Suppose we have the equation such as 8 times 5 plus 7 minus 2. How would you go about solving this? Like, where do we start? Because there's like few operations over here. We can either do this one first, or maybe do this one first, or just maybe do this one first and move on from there. Let's try the left one this way and this way and see if the answers are same. If the answers are same, maybe we can just do any of the approaches and then we can get to the same answer. So if we do the left one first, so it's 8 it's 8 times 5 plus 7 minus 2. So 8 times 5 is 40 plus 7 minus 2, and then 40 plus 7 is 47 minus 2, and 47 minus 2 is 45. Now if we go on the other way and then do the right side first, what do we get? Okay, let's write the whole equation down. 8 times 5 plus 7 minus 2. Now we do the right side first of this thing. 7 minus 2 is 5, so I'll just write down times 5 plus 5, and then 5 plus 5 is 10, so 8 times 10, and then 8 times 10 is 80. So as we can see, these two things are not equal. These two answers are not equal. So therefore there must be a way where we can ensure that we're getting the right answer. And the rule to follow for this is known as PEMDAS. Now what is PEMDAS? That's the definition of PEMDAS. It's an acronym that says parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Let's talk about parentheses first. It's basically first bracket, and this is the second bracket, and then third bracket. What this means is if there's an equation like 2 plus 5 times 2 minus 7, the way we would solve this is we do this first, which is 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Minus 7. And then 7 times 2 is 14. And the answer becomes 7. So this is the first bracket, so we should do the first bracket first. This is the second bracket, we should do the second bracket next, and this is the third bracket, we should do the third bracket next. Exponents. What are exponents? Exponents are basically 2 to the power 7 or something like that. So we do the exponents then. Wrong arrow. 2 to the power 7, or like 3 to the power 2, something like that. We do exponents then. Multiplication, 7 plus 7, that's multiplication. 7 times 7. Division, 7 divided by 7. Addition, 7 plus 7, and then subtraction, 7 minus 7. So that's how we go on about doing the operation that we do. So let's go back to the equation that we had before. It's 8 times 5 plus 7 minus 2, and let's see how to solve this. 8 times 5 plus 7 minus 2. So PEMDAS, parentheses. Is there any parentheses? Basically brackets. Is there any brackets over here? No. Exponents? No. Multiplication? Yes. This is a multiplication. So 8 times 5 is 40 plus 7 minus 2. Now PEMDAS, D, division. We don't have any division. And then A for addition. So we do this, 47 minus 2. And then the last thing is subtraction. So we just do subtraction, and 45 is the right answer. And over here, as you see, we got 45 over here from the left approach, but not necessarily it will happen every single time. It might differ for different cases. Let's do one more example just to finish it off. Let's do something here. So suppose we have 5 minus 2 times 3 plus 10 divided by, I have to divide divided by 2. Okay, PEMDAS, right? P, PEMDAS is brackets. We do have a bracket, so we do this first. 5 minus 2 is 3 times 3 plus 10 divided by 2. I'm very bad at writing division. Anyways, so let me just clean this up. Okay, that's an addition. PEMDAS, exponents, we don't have any exponent. So multiplication, we do have a multiplication here, which is 3 times 3 is 9 plus 10 divided by 2. PEMDAS, D for division, so 9 plus, so we do the division, which is 10 divided by 2 is 5, and the last operation left is plus, and this should be 14, and that's the answer. And that's how you do this type of equations. And PEMDAS is known as the order of operation, the way you have to do those operations in order to get the right answer. Okay, that's all.